What is up, guys? Your boy TCTV, and today we have another awesome video. Today we're playing part 3 of Super Dangerous Dungeons. This game is awesome. If you have not seen the first 2 episodes, go check them out. They're phenomenal. I love this game. Let's get in it. So, as you didn't see before, we unlocked this part. We have mission 11, and let's get into it. Alright, ooh, wow. Wait. Oh, okay. This might be a little tricky. Oh. Oh wait, does water kill me? I'm guessing water kills me, so we gotta be aware of that. Oh! Go, 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 go. Okay. Now watch out for this water. Yeah. Alright, so that's 1. Oh! It's like poison. What the heck? Crap! Now. Okay. Oh. Okay. Yeah, mission 2 down. 3. Here we go. Oh wait. Oh wait. Does the water rise? Crap. Oh, come on. Oh, come on! How am I supposed to have time to that? Come on! This one might be a little tricky. Go. Crap! Now. Stupid ads. Go. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Don't. Yes! Oh my gosh, that's so hard. Wait, what? Oh! I gotta wait. Oh, okay, I see. I see. Go, go, go. Go. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Sorry, I'm not talking much. I feel like I'm gonna die if I hit like the bottom part of the spikes. Yeah. All right. How many was that? All right, so that's the first 5 missions. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to be playing part 4 later on today, like later in the evening time. I want to finish this game. I want to finish it. This game is really fun. I really like it. Also at the end, These little star missions at the bottom right corner will be done at the final mission, so I can go back and play those. That'll be a separate video. Hope you guys enjoy this game as much as I do. Please like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.